I was I was around. I mean, this whole I was around, the early internet and YouTube and so on and so forth. And what we witness is all kinds of plagiarism, unlicensed content, unauthorized content being played on YouTube. And I was actually a victim of that myself. And so, and because of that, the Digital Rights Management Act was created and make sure that everything is copacetic, and Hollywood is very protective of its content as it should be. What I'm witnessing now is, and that big challenge is being in a content business as well, is the fact that there really is no way to do that. Okay, and I have some ideas out of this. I'll give you a perfect example. Where I'm in a nutrition business, and using video AI, which is an excellent tool, I can go in and just literally one sentence is, how does calcium affect the human body? Okay. In less than 3 minutes, I'll have a 60-second video that really details what calcium does to the body and how it affects it and so on and so forth. All that stuff is video gathered from the universe, if you will, the content universe online. The key here is that I have no idea whether that is licensed content or not. I have no idea. So what we need to do is think about how is it, and this is outside of content, how is it that we can uh, 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 add or create digital rights management version 2, to include AI so that everybody is protected. Part of my early thinking is that we need to have some sort of a tag, if you will, okay, to each particular content that identifies the author, so that the author gets paid, whether it gets paid peanuts or dimes. At some point, we need to have a system that allows for a fair and equitable use of original content.